Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's the Pest and Lawn Ginja, and this is my lawn. Well, it's finally nice to see the sun out. Jeez, man, it's been like 2 weeks of non-stop rain. Let's go check out the rough cut of the lawn. It's looking pretty good. We are a little bit blotchy in our color scheme. Now, most of this is actually dog urine spot, which tells me we're probably deficient in nitrogen, but I always like to see what's going on in the actual grass itself, kind of give us the tell signs of what it needs. Now, we do have a lot of leaf spot going on, but this one you can see is kind of forming some red thread to it, which is a sign of nitrogen deficiency. Most of this is leaf spot, which tells me that it's been getting overwatered. Now, Mother Nature's shoving as much water through as she is. There's nothing I can do about that. And you can see more signs of red thread. So this is what we got to fix. But overall, guys, color's decent. I wouldn't say great. Nitrogen is going to help out. So far this entire season, I think I'm just under a pound of nitrogen. Now, if we look at the backyard, a couple of weeks ago, I actually did a lawn overseed and patch kit because of the dog urine spots that I was having. And as you can see, grass is about 3 inches long. It's looking good, decent color. Let's see if we can find any seeds of that, or any signs of that Barenbrug seed popping through. And ta-da! Here we are, new bluegrass in our patch kit. So this is a good sign. I'm pretty happy with everything that's going on. Decent color, and won't be able to mow it for another week. I like to wait about 3 to 4 weeks after an overseed to make sure we don't damage the new seed. Now, there's not a lot that I can do about the melting out in the grass. However, with the red thread, what we could do is we could boost the nitrogen today. The last service I did was May 11th, and it has rained almost every day since. So it being June 1st, we can lay down some fertilizer. Might as well just take care of our June fertilizer. Now, I got pretty lucky that I caught the melting out this early, and I'm getting pretty lucky that the weather is evening out and we're not going to have daily rain for the next little while. So hopefully it'll dry out and kind of correct itself with this Propeat fertilizer I'm putting down. Now, for those of you at home that do have a problem with melting out in the lawn, there's a couple of tips that you're going to want to follow. Number one, you're going to want to stress the lawn out just a little bit, meaning back off the water. I don't want it all the way dry, but you're going to start seeing those stress markers coming into the lawn where it looks like it's drying out, and that's about where we want it. Then you're going to shove the water back in it and get back to that 6 to 8 inches of water. That should deactivate the fungus for you. Now, if you hit it with a pound of ammonium nitrate or some sort of quick release fertilizer, 60-40 blend ammoniacal nitrogen with urea, and force some growth out of that. Don't mow for 2 to 3 weeks. Let it grow 3 to 5 inches tall. Then you're going to mow the top 2 to 3 inches off. That should be the fungal layer and allow you to scalp that off so you'll stop spreading the fungus. Now, I have a couple of concerns with the melting out fungus that I have in my lawn. Number one, melting out fungus is transferred when you mow. So I got a couple of choices. I can boost up the autoimmune system of the plant, increase the nitrogen, and hope that it goes okay, or I can force a bunch of growth, use some urea, and just let it grow and grow and grow and hope that I push it out. Hey, Big Ned, you got that product, man? You got it? Well, it looks like today Big Ned and I are going to be using Propeat 1358. Now, they call it Propeat because it contains the Sphagnum peat moss in it, which contains micronutrients, helps hold water, and also rooting capabilities. Now, I'm also, since I've got shallow root issues, I want to get a little bit of phosphorus in there, but the potassium this time of the year coming into the summer, I need to boost the overall health. And we also have some calcium sulfate that's also going to help. I'm going to shoot for 1 pound per 1,000 on this. So I'm going to be just about 7.5 to 8.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Now, a couple of reasons why I chose the Propeat. Number one, Propeat, just like the name, it's got sphagnum peat moss in it. A couple of reasons why I like that. Number one, it does contain micronutrients that are very specific for rooting. And that's a problem that I have in my lawn, is that shallow roots. Now we've done a lot of work to condition the soil, but we need to boost the immune system, and I haven't put calcium down in a little while, and this has got calcium nitrate in it, so it's really going to help out with that as well. Now, peat moss is also very good for water retention, and by putting this out, it's very similar to humic acids, where it's going to maintain, so it's a great source of carbon. So instead of using humates this round, we're just going to use the all-in-one granular. Now, for those of you who've been watching me for a little while, you know that I don't just like to force a bunch of growth. However, in these instances where we've got red thread, we've got melting out, it's time to use nitrogen as a tool. Now, we've also got the lawn telling us that it needs to have it because it's had a little bit of washout. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up. I'd love to hear you guys out and answer and solve your problems. Until next time, guys, the Pest and Lawn Ginja. Later.
Ned, do you care?